Where's your second strike?
She's still asking for more?
Agnes, don't throw your life away!
She's lost her mind! Again!
If you insist!
Mother, wait for me.
All that talk, but you're still just a woman. She got up again? You're still standing?
Eleanor, whether you make it back today or not, I want you to know, your mother will always stand by your dream. Live for yourself, and for every woman who's been told she can't.
Lady Ironwood, please, don't push yourself anymore!
Now, the third strike. Come on.
I heard you fell this low for letting your daughter escape, crossed Lord Wintermer for it. What, you still think she's coming back to save you?
You're wrong. I don't need her to come back. Knowing she's safe, that's enough.
I wasn't even trying before. But if you're so eager to die, I'll grant your wish.
Then do it. I'm not afraid of you.
Eleanor, remember this. Your life is yours to shape. They say women are less than men, but we are not. We stand on our own, and we stand strong.
Women, stand on our own. Women, we stand on our own.
Agnes, why would you throw your life away like this?
Everyone dies. I've endured this house for over 20 years. Treated like nothing, looked down on, ordered around. And now look at you, all on your knees. But I won't kneel. Let everyone see this. A woman's knees are stronger than any man's. Come on!
My daughter, I love you more than anything. But the road ahead, you'll have to walk it on your own.
Dared lay a hand on my mother. Cheer! You're dead!
Click the link below to watch the full video.